Hi guys, my name is Maureen Mumbi, and yes, it's my first video on YouTube and I'm really excited about it. And I know you're probably wondering why it has taken me so long. To be honest, I also don't know why it has taken me so long to do it, but I think it's because of procrastinating or something like that. But yeah, my friends have really pushed me to start this YouTube channel. I have tried pushing myself and here I am. So I love beauty and that is why I've started this YouTube channel. It's something that I've always wanted to do. Currently, I'm doing different makeup looks. You can also check out my page. I will leave it at the end of the video at Maureen Makeup by Mumbi, sorry. And also you can also follow me at Crystal_Mumbi. I also study at Daystar actually. I've done electronic media as my major. Okay, today we'll be doing a very simple look. I figured out because it's my first time on YouTube, I would at least do a more of a beginner kind of look. So stay tuned for more.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome as well. My name is Maureen Mumbi, for those who don't know me, and yeah, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very short one. I hope so, because okay, as we all know, my videos are not always short, but today I'll try and make it a bit short. So it's going to be about generally appreciating every single one person who takes their time to watch my content, even if it's 1 minute that you watch it, even if it's the fact that you watch it till the end. I just feel so grateful, and I just hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I know for some people this might look like it's not something to celebrate, but for me, I genuinely feel like it's progress, and I feel so good that I've gotten this far on this channel. To be honest, it hasn't been an easy journey, and YouTube is something that it needs a lot of patience. It needs someone who is patient with yourself, that is. And I genuinely want to celebrate each and every person who has gotten me to this point. I feel so excited. Okay, we do not have wine, but let's just cheers to, I just got this juice for the first time. I don't normally carry any foodstuffs or any drinks on my channel, on my videos, that is. And yeah, cheers to 100 for a start. We'll go as we progress. So today I just wanted to speak about what I've learned so far. I genuinely started creating content back in 2019. Yeah, I started this YouTube channel in 2019. And I started with a bang. If you can go check out my first video that I posted on my channel, I did an introduction. I did it was a very good video. And I was pumped. I was really pumped and psyched up to start my own channel. Yeah, and I uploaded the video and I was very excited. I got so many positive comments on it. And along the line, sometimes I think about it because we're talking about a whole year. So what happened was I got a job, and I'm not saying that having a job makes you not do other things, but I got a bit distracted. I just didn't feel the motivation to create more content, and I felt like I was doing so much, and just genuinely being in an office just made me, I can just say that it just killed my creativity. Every morning I would wake up and I would not feel like I want to do any content. I would just wake up, go to work, 8 to 5 job, do whatever that you're doing, and then that's it. So yeah, so my whole year was just like that. I was working 24/7. I thank God for the jobs that I did last year, and even for the one that I had this year. But I just felt like there's something that I needed to do much more. I felt like I had left something so dear to me, which is this YouTube channel, and I came back to it again this year. So it has genuinely been a journey for me, and I find that most people, give me a moment. I genuinely find that most people struggle with consistency. So one of the things that I have learned is that when you're on a YouTube channel, when you create your content, that is, you identify what is it that you want to do. But two, you need to be consistent. Consistency is something that I'm still trying to be consistent, actually, in every aspect of my life, from my fitness life to everything that I do. It's not something easy, but it's up to you to get yourself in the mood to do the things that you love to do, and to wake up every day and just deliver as you want to deliver. So for me, I just think that consistency is very important. Have had to create a schedule for myself. Like every week, I always say that I want to upload, like I give myself a target. I upload at least one video a week, but I'm trying to push myself to upload even more than one video at least every week. So putting yourself on a schedule just helps to keep yourself on your toes, and just for you to know that you have targets that you need to attain on your YouTube channel. And the other thing is, don't really think about how you're going to start. Don't think about your equipment. Don't think about anything. You have your smartphone. Your smartphone is what you have. Take your smartphone and start shooting the content. Do not wait until I have a nice mic like mine. But I'm not saying that it's not a good investment. It is. But just start slowly. Take your earphones as a mic. Take your phone as a camera. Just start. once you have started, you'll gain momentum, and then you will find other things that you would want to do with your content. Thing is that watch what other YouTubers are doing. If people are doing content that you think resonates with what you're doing, watch that. Binge on such content, like watch them, but don't copy what they're doing. Just try and identify what is it that makes you different, what is it that makes just makes you stand out, and what can make a person not watch somebody else's content and watch yours. So once you answer that question, you can be able to know the kind of niche that you want for yourself, and you'll get to know these things as you go along. I really think that this is a very great platform that everyone can use if you want to market for anything that you want to do for yourself, if you want to market your product, if you want to market your business. I think this is something that most people should take advantage of. The digital space is a very lucrative venture that I think everyone should be part of. If you want to start a YouTube channel, go ahead and start. It has its perks, but with time you realize you get to learn so many things as you go along. So just keep doing it. Sometimes I genuinely don't feel like I have a mood to shoot content, and I have to push myself to have that mood. You just pick the camera and start shooting. And then as you go along and figure out the other things. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone who take their time to watch my content. It really means a lot to me, and I will continue pushing. I will continue doing more content every day. And yeah, until, yes, cheers to my next 1,000 subscribers, and also on my views and other things. And yeah, cheers to my next 1,000 subscribers. I believe nothing is impossible, and I believe that I'm going to get there with time. So if you're waiting to start, don't wait. Start now or never do it. That's just how I've been. Yeah, that's how I've been telling myself, if I don't do it now, when will I do it? And it's just a good journey. You will be frustrated at some point. You will feel like, do I really have to do this? Do I really have to create content? Do I really have to do all these things? But I think you just need to push yourself and tell yourself that I need to do this and I'm going to do it. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys, and thank you for the support so far, and may you continue supporting me. I feel amazing. May you always share my content with those that you think that need to watch it. And yeah, my journey is my journey. Everyone has their own journey, and so far where I am, I feel amazing, and I look forward to more that I will do. So yeah, that's all I had for you guys. I didn't have much to say. I know I had said that I'm going to make this video as short as possible, but oh well. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and till next time, to my next video. I love you all, guys. Bye. Wait, I had not done my outro. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.